Lenders view borrowers with higher credit scores as less risky, so they are often offered lower interest rates. But what if your credit score isn't where you want it to be? Don't worry, there are a few steps you can take to improve it. First thing, check for errors on your credit report and make sure they are corrected. You can access your credit report for free at annualcreditreport.com. Next, pay down any revolving debt like credit card balances and home equity lines of credit. Be careful not to close any old credit accounts that are in good standing, as this can lower your score by shortening your credit history and reducing your total available credit. Make all future payments on time, as payment history is a major factor in determining your credit score. Finally, limit your credit applications to avoid having too many inquiries against your score. If you're shopping around for a car loan or a mortgage, try to limit your applications to a short period, usually between 14 and 45 days. By following these tips, you can work on improving your credit score and ultimately qualify for a lower mortgage rate. Don't let fluctuating rates stress you out. Take control of your financial future and start boosting your credit score today. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.